Tired of fumbling with your August lock, Bluetooth not connecting? Here's how to fix it fast. First, check if your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. Sounds simple, but it's often the culprit. If it's on, try turning it off, then back on again. Next, make sure your August app is updated to the latest version. You can check for updates in your app store. Still no luck? Move closer to your lock. Bluetooth can only reach a short distance, so standing right next to your door helps. If you have other devices connected by Bluetooth, turn them off for a moment to avoid interference. Now, open the August app and try reconnecting to your lock. If it still doesn't work, restart your phone. That can clear up hidden glitches. Last step, remove the lock from your app and add it again. Look for the Remove Device option in Settings, then follow the steps to re-add your lock. If you've tried all this and it's still not working, your lock might need a new battery or a quick reset. Check your manual for details. That's it. Most Bluetooth problems can be fixed with these easy steps. Your August lock should be ready to go.